When I shoot, it's on you. That go. When I shoot, it's on you. That go. When I shoot, it's on you. Tryna copy what I do.
Hey y'all, it's your girl KJ back with another video. Yes, it's video on and popping. Alright y'all, today we are doing faux locks. This is my first time doing them. Ordered them off of Amazon. The link's gonna be down below, of course. Let's get started. Alright, so first, as you know, you gotta like box braid your hair. You can box braid. I did box braids at the root and like twisted my ends. My mom did them, so I didn't record it. They're already done. Did it in the ponytail. Okay. Yeah. So this is what she did. She kind of, I think she did more than I would usually do. I wouldn't usually do them this small just because I don't have the patience. Especially like with doing my own head and stuff. But last night, okay, so y'all, guess what? We got a little product review, okay? It's not really sponsored. I guess like sponsorships you get paid for. I don't really know how all this works, okay? But yeah, so we have a little product review. And y'all, honestly, like this is gonna be 100% honest. And just look. So one of my subscribers, they asked if I could review some of their products. You know, they send some out. So y'all, if y'all have any, you know, a small little business, I mean, it ain't gotta be small. It ain't gotta be small. If you have a business or anything, you know, that you want me to review, just leave it down in the comments because, duh, yes, I would love to. But anyways, so it is a hair care brand, y'all, and y'all know I love hair products, and my hair product stash is running low, so I definitely needed more. But it is called Valonie, so I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, that's how I pronounce it. I really hope I'm pronouncing it right. But ooh, can you see? So I got it once I received it. I'm not gonna lie, so my mom tried these before me and I was like, Mom, like they sent the products to me, not to you. She was like, girl, I like it so much. So okay, so I tried it, and y'all, honestly, I love it. I really love it because y'all know I have 4C hair. 4C hair gets so dry, like sometimes it's hard to find certain products to really keep it moisturized because some things you put it in, it'll just make it drier. Y'all, so this is a Revive Intense Deep Conditioning Treatment. I also got a Twist and Define Styling Butter along with a 2-in-1 co-wash and a tingler. So when I first used it, I washed my hair. Y'all know I don't wash my hair like a lot like with like regular shampoo. I co-wash, yeah. I co-wash most of the time. So I use this first for my hair. This is the co-wash and the tingler, the 2-in-1. I liked it, and y'all, everything smells good. Like, I don't know, it just smells super bad. So I used this first in the shower, and then I put in the Intense Deep Conditioning Treatment. I let it sit, I don't even remember, but I made sure, like, you know, I did root to tip because deep conditioning for 4C hair is super important. And y'all, when I rinsed it out, when I tell y'all, my hair felt moisturized, like super moisturized, because a lot of conditioners don't do that for 4C hair. And I was like it was like moisturized, hydrated. I liked it though. I liked it a lot. And then I used this because then I just moisturize, like after I'm done washing my hair, I would use like some oil and some type of cream to just, you know, moisturize. I either put in twists or put in 2 braids. I have put in 2 braids. But I used this with some this is the styling butter with some other oil. But y'all, and this moisturized my hair too. I just asked my mom, I was like, Mom, you know, like you used it first before me. How you feel about it? I was like, is this something you would buy again? She liked it too. She said, oh yeah, I gotta get some again. And not gonna lie, I would definitely buy this. I would definitely buy this. But thank you so much for studying over these products. Yo, I will have the website link in the little description box. Yeah, so go get y'all some because love it. Let's get on to the so yeah, so it's already braided. I ordered these from Amazon. They're in the color 350. These are the Locs. Well, this is how they came, and this is how they look. The 36-inch pre-extended new locks. And looking at the reviews, it said about 20 come in a pack. I'm so lazy, I don't feel like counting it, so I'm gonna just go with what they said. And I got some passion twist hair in the same color 350. I mean, it kind of matches up. This may be a little lighter, but like, oh well. This rubber bands and a crochet needle came with the locks. With the hair, it just came in, I don't know. And one of these is 3 packs of locks. Is it only 3? Yeah, 3. And I got 2, so I got 6 packs, and that's about 20 each, so 20 times 6, y'all know the math. For the passenger pair, I think I got 6 as well. I only see 5, but I feel like I got a 6th one somewhere. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna get started. How they be getting started on the stuff. I'm just letting y'all know it's Sunday. It's hot. It's hot. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna probably change my shirt because it is so hot. My mom is in there frying chicken. So from my understanding, you just take this lock and, you know, loop it through. So you take the I don't be having words. The loop at the end of the lock. I'm gonna take the crochet needle. I'm gonna go through the base of my braid. I'm so sorry y'all can't see. Go through the base. I'm putting the lock through, closing the latch thing and pulling it through. You can either pull your braid and the lock through or just your braid. I guess I'm gonna do both. I don't know. I'm gonna take a piece of hair. Yo, how I'm doing here, I ain't got no scissors out. I'm prepared. I look like somebody wrestling right now. Oof. I'm definitely not gonna need this whole piece of hair. I ain't got no mirror over here. Oh, I'm gonna just do it blind because girl can't see. Oh, this looks so bad. Hold up. Ow! Ow! I don't know. I'm trying to cover this knot. It just don't want to be covered. I'm gonna respect it. Alright. Oof. Maybe I did it too tight. I don't know. So yeah, that's what I did for every one of the locks. I just repeated that exact same process with pulling the lock through, getting the hair, and wrapping it around. I found that, of course, doing this to the hair helps with the wrapping process because if you left it just as a curl, like, you know, it wouldn't cover as much of your braid. Now, when some people are done a lock, I think they use like nail glue or like some people use Got To Be. I feel like if I use Got To Be, then I don't know, like any moisture will make it just like go away. So that's why I personally prefer to burn it at the end. Now, like I said before, if you guys do have a small hair care brand, or it doesn't even have to be specifically hair care, even though I do not do everything, just still reach out to me if you would like me to do, you know, like a sponsorship or product review. My Instagram and my email are both down below. So guys, I actually stopped cutting the ends of the wrapping hair with the scissors because then it gave it like that blunt cut. I actually just used like one whole strand just per each lock. But this was the progress I made in some hours. I believe this whole hairstyle took me about 5 hours, y'all. But I did it real late. Like it was like at night into the early morning. Now, by the time I got to the top of my head, instead of like crocheting on a lock and then wrapping it, doing a lock, then wrapping it, I would just take a few braids and then crochet a lock, crochet a lock, crochet a lock, and then wrap, wrap, wrap. think I had these locks in for about 4 to 5 weeks. And usually I would have had them in for longer because when I do like individual braids or twists, I just had them in for longer than a month. But I just had to take them out because once I got back to school, I had cheer. Yo, I was feeling this color. Like I showed in the beginning, the passion twist hair and the lock, like even though they were both 350, the color was still off a little bit. But as you see, like once you start wrapping it and all that, it really doesn't matter. It was so cute. Now, even though my mom did a lot of braids, the locks actually weren't heavy or like weren't pulling on any of like my hair, or, like my edges or anything. And I know you can see like the little black parts like my hair, but honestly that just made it look more like natural to me. But I took some Got To Be after and just sprayed it because even though I burned it, I don't know, extra security. And I was just showing y'all how long they were on me because I am 5'4". Alright y'all, thank you for watching my video. I know it was like probably all over the place. I don't know, I was just really trying to get this done, y'all. I got work in a few hours. Y'all see my tan? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell for the post notification. I really hope you like this too because I like this. I like this color too. Okay. Bye y'all.